When you open IntractERP, on the left hand side you will see all the features. One of the features is staff. When you click on staff and go to all staff, you will first see a list of all the staff members in the institution. If you want to export the list, click on export button and you will get the data in an Excel sheet format. If you want to add staff, click on add staff, fill in the details and click on submit. If you want to see staff details, click on staff name and you can see all the staff details. You can edit any details of a staff member by simply clicking on edit. Edit the changes and then click on submit. You can delete a staff by simply clicking on the delete button. If you want to restore a staff, then simply go on settings on the top right corner, go to deleted staff accounts and then select the staff you want to restore. Thank you.